Welcome to a Future Design Studio. In today's video, we're diving into ceiling. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your ceiling decides whether your room feels open, cozy, or luxurious. In this video, let's understand how to select the right ceiling design step by step, so you never feel lost during planning. Let's get started. Step 1. Room size and height. Start with your room's height. If it's low, keep the ceiling design simple, maybe a single layer false ceiling with soft edges. This makes the space feel taller. If the room is spacious and has height, you can go for multiple layers, patterns, or even statement chandeliers. The ceiling should always complement the size, not fight it. Step 2. Lighting first. Lighting is 50% of your ceiling design. Think about function before beauty. Do you need cozy quilt lighting? Task lights for study areas? Or decorative chandeliers? Once you decide lighting, your ceiling layout will fall into place. A common mistake people make, they design the ceiling first, and later struggle to fit the lights. Always start with the light plan. Step 3. Choosing materials. The most common are pop and gypsum. Gypsum is lightweight, easy, and quick to install, perfect for modern flats. Pop gives more flexibility if you want curves or custom shapes. For a luxury look, add wooden panels, MDF, or metal strips in small accents. But always keep budget and maintenance in mind. Step 4. Colors and finish. Don't just default to plain white. Light pastel shades, two-tone ceilings, or wooden textures can completely change the vibe of your room. Rule of thumb, keep the ceiling lighter than your walls for a spacious look, but in large rooms, you can experiment with bold or dark finishes. Step 5. Mistakes to avoid. Avoid overlayering. Too many drops and patterns make the ceiling heavy. Don't add random colors just because they look good in catalogs. And always make sure false ceilings have proper provisions for maintenance, like access to wiring and AC ducts. Your ceiling is not just a fifth wall. It's the crown of your room. The detail that quietly makes your home look complete. Select it wisely, and every time you look up, you won't just see plaster and paint. You'll see design that makes your space truly yours. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Want to bring good design into your home? Check the link in bio, your space deserves it.